Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Fadila Del Munte. I made this video wanted to show you my favorite place. Why do I say my favorite place? Because hair is cool like my hair. The scenery is also beautiful, and this is the place. The name of the place is Waterfront. Why do you?
Agak kemewahan
Why do you say the name Waterfront? Name is Waterfront because the place has water and navy and within her the place is. Why do you say the name is Waterfront? Because the place has water and the place is interesting for me because the place can climb or meet and almost all of people come here because they want to see the natural beauty that attracts them. There are people who sit relax until they look towards the beach. There are people who wear small boats and they feel they are riding a small boat and they feel that are riding a small boat and such deep water with them boarding a small boat. They take selfies and there are also selfies on this benches so that their photos can be seen towards those water. If you are bored at home, you can come here free of charge. Only 5 for car parking. Take you friends with you so you can take pictures. Before being transformed into a waterfront tourist area, was an back location, lack of lighting and identical to the street vendors area, which has a lot of garbage cart along the streets of the fine. The arrangement is not clear, completely neglected since checking its name to Tanjung Balai Waterfront. Waterfront city and being integrated by the local city government and the aid of December last year. His dear friend riverfront area close to the Tabayang Bridge has completely transformed into a chief tourist spot for the people of Tanjung Balai and Asahan to enjoy the evening sky at the end of the tirade remedy for daily busy routines. Now, the conditions are good and neat. The place is too strict to enjoy the evening. At atmosphere with family, or there is a fence that allows visitors to see the view of fishing boats going back and forth across the Asahan River, which leads directly to Malik Strait in the afternoon. The water starts to rise when fishermen are just starting their activities. Gets ready to look for fish to hack his says. If you want to experience riding a fishing boat around the Asahan River among the dozens of fishing boats, more in the Asahan River, we can take a tour boat prepared by the locals. The fees is 10,000 per person around by motorboat. For about 15 to 20 minutes. Decided that the beauty of the afternoon sky on the riverbank in this area is the most awaited photo spot moment before the sunset if you are lucky if the sky is clear. Close there, monastery house of worship overlooking the river. The arrangement of the street vendors bustling is also orderly. There is a space between the visitors and the merchants. But entah merchants there that do not blend into one, but unfortunately there is a lot of public awareness to specific of what in the space private is is the responsibility of the residents of the city and the visitor community to take care of these public facilities so that it can be maintained longer. If you have free time in the afternoon in Tanjung Balai City, come to relax and enjoy the evening here. In the vicinity, there are already installed paths covered with paving blocks. Between the paving block path there is grand grassy garden with trees and garden lakes. Unfortunately, the trees are not too big, so if it's quite hot during the day, Tanjung Balai Waterfront City, the doors are still small at the end of this paving block. It is directly adjacent to Rumah Balai in Ujung Tanjung, which is a replica building built to commemorate the history and rock of Tanjung Balai City. Which is a balai located in Tanjung Menwil at the Adhar, and there is a monument decorated with an open book. Perhaps the internet is to keep visitors remembering to read the book. Tanjung Balai Waterfront City then monument is decorated with book. Tanjung Balai Waterfront Kit its mother extending inland with a Asahan River at the edge a guardrail was built to protect visitors, especially children, from falling into the river. So it's okay to take clothes for our hair. Tanjung Balai Waterfront City, Bardroy and views at Tanjung Balai Waterfront City. It is river are fishing boats and her the seats of the ships vary from small or large. In addition, there is also a boat there that visitors can rent to get around the Asahan River for 10,000 per person. Tanjung Balai Waterfront City fishing boats dock at the Asahan River around Tanjung Balai Waterfront City. There are many stalls selling various types of food and drinks such as chicken, noodles, meatball, ferns, rich your fruit-rich young coconut juice and many other harmonies. Tanjung Balai Waterfront City. There are food vendors too. Tanjung Balai Waterfront City. Concrete beds at Tanjung Balai Waterfront City. I think his place is fit fun to visit in the afternoon to relax, enjoying the view of the calm Asahan River while waiting for the dusk. Unfortunately, this destination is poorly maintained. I can be seen from the chaotic parking lot, broken garden bricks, and some garbage scratch about. If this place had a good manager, this place will be even more fun to visit.
Berangsanan
This is the monument, and that is the propeller. If you come here, you will be happy. That's all my video. If her any missing words is apologies. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.